for watching. This is the first video in a brief series in which I will partake in a build-off about this RS4 Sport 3 Creator Edition. HPI contacted me, asked if I felt like doing a build-off with a few other people, and I said yes. So the other people are Photo Guy RC, and HemiStorm Products, that's me. Hoonigan, those are the people who build all the cool stuff for Ken Block. Mustang 360, RC Car Action, RC Driver, and the RC Network. A couple of familiar faces in there, so a few of these people I actually know. So what is this Creator Edition? Is this like a full kit? That it is not. This is not unfamiliar to me, this RS4 chassis, because this is in fact the same chassis that you get with, for example, the HPI Unicorn. Once you open the box, you will find this, which is mostly a pre-built chassis. There is some assembly required, like for example wheel hexes and that type of stuff. And you will also see that there's no electronics. So you can add everything to your own flavor, own motor, own ESC radio system, steering servo, all that stuff. And then of course eventually wheels, tires and a body. And that's also what this challenge is about. A lot of fun. I think it does indeed allow you to get creative. The whole idea, I think, behind this is to indeed, as it says on the box, create your dream car. Now I'm not sure what the other people will do. I can imagine that Mustang 360 kind of says so in the name. I can imagine that they will build a Mustang. Apart from that, create your dream car. It wasn't like when I was like 6 or 7 that my life goal would be to have an old Toyota or an old BMW. So I'm thinking that I will actually build the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, which you see over here. I will not build it completely to that Falcon spec with all those colors, because then it could have just gone ahead, ordered a stock body. So we're going to give it a tiny little twist. I do hope that everybody partaking in this challenge, in this build-off, will actually paint up their own stuff, because I do think that that will make it a bit more of a level playing field, and it shows off skills a tiny bit more. These are the parts that still need to be slapped on there in order to complete it. What I will choose for wheels, tires, steering servo, motor, ESC, receiver and radio. You will find all of that out in the next video when I assemble the chassis, also show you the body, perhaps start cutting that. Third video I will actually go ahead, paint that body, and then the fourth video it's going to be the big reveal. A lot of fun. I hope you will follow along with this. Also check out all these other guys. If you want to have more information about this RS4 Sport 3 Creator Edition, go have a look in the video description box. There will be a link to HPI's website. So you can also go and get creative. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye-bye.
Back on.